Hello mga kaganstilyo family! To complete our Crochet PRADA Inspired Mesh Bag tutorial, we are going to do now the PRADA Inspired Mesh Bag in single crochet way. So therefore, we are going to focus merely in the inverted triangle design. So if you are fun in using eco bag, I think it's time to level up to Crochet PRADA Inspired Mesh Bag. So let's get started. See this inverted triangle in single crochet, how it is skillfully handcrafted. We already know the other way, which is the double crochet. So we're going to use this Pinoy soft twine, approximately 400 grams, and it's very soft. So here we go. Let's measure this. This is almost 2 inches. The side panel of this mesh bag, and the width of the front panel is 10 inches long, and then the length of the body of the mesh bag is 13 inches long. So this one is from Laurice. Thank you, Laurice. So if you want to follow her, follow her YouTube account. She have also a YouTube channel, Zero Vlogs, making amigoramis. She's using merely on the yarns like cotton yarns and the feel. So me, I'm using this soft twine mostly. So here we go. So let's count this one because we have a total of 27 holes. So 13 in the left and 13 in the right, and then 1 in the middle. Should be always an odd number. So we put the marker there, and this is our last double crochet. Do not add 1 chain anymore. Okay, so we need to have another twine. So I'm using another color for you to determine which twine you are using. This is just an example so that you can easily follow. Anyway, you can pause this video so that you can follow on how to make this inverted triangle. Okay, so let's make 3 for a start, a single crochet. Okay, and then add 1 chain, turn your project, and then make another 3 single crochet again at the back for the second row. Okay, so here, kailangan mo talagang tingnan yung unang single crochet kasi mahirap talaga yan dyan. Hindi masyado makita. So yan, just leave it like that. No adding of 1 chain. Okay, so just pay attention. And this one here, the last double crochet, tighten it a bit, and then just insert your hook. But before that, all the two soft twine should be at the back, and then insert your hook and then pull the runner. Then there you go. We called it the runner. So don't forget to insert that one in between. Bring that other twine at the end together as you complete the rest of the hole. Okay, that one. So okay, that one, and then this time around, add one chain and then yarn over. Insert your hook to the other part, align with the double crochet below. Okay, so as usual, make the mesh stitch the double crochet until you reach at the end, and then you turn your project. See, like that. So we already learned how to make the mesh stitch in our previous video tutorial. So we are having no problem with that anymore, only this inverted triangle design. Okay, so next pair of rows will be adding 2 in the left and then 2 in the right single crochet. All in all, a total of 7 single crochet. And then in the next pair of rows, add again 2 in the left, 2 in the right single crochet, a total of 11. So every time add 2 in the left, add 2 in the right. So just the same in the previous video we had in the double crochet, always adding 2 in the left and 2 in the right. The only difference is we are making this mesh bag, the inverted triangle, in a single crochet. So yan. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you already subscribed, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And thank you for supporting me. And will push me more to do more videos about crocheting in a simplest and a very beginners friendly tutorials. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, family. So here we go. So watch out also soon I will be making a Louis Vuitton inspired bag. So watch out for that, family. So there we go. So the same steps in making from row 1 until you reach on to the desired length of the inverted triangle you want. So always remember the other twine, always bring it and then put it in front. Okay, so there you go. So here we go. 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's very easy. Don't be confused. You can do it. So here we go. So I just used another color for you to so that you will know what's next. Okay, there you go. So got it. It's a total of 11. So that should be a pair of rows, also 11, front and back. Very easy. Okay, so ta-da! This is our finished inverted triangle in a single crochet. Hope you catch up, guys, and hope you follow. So if you have questions, just feel free to comment down below. I will add the links in the previous videos in the description box. So thank you, and hope more video tutorials coming soon. And see you in the next video tutorial of Life and Crafts PH. Okay, God bless. Bye.